I'm on my floor. It's the ground floor, illuminated only with lights outside. Okay, the lights are out. I care about the people at the grand apartments. No illuminated emergency lighting, which they were supposed to have. These are stairs right here. Cannot find it. I cannot even see. I'm going up the stairs. It's supposed to be illuminated lighting. Okay, that's an exit sign, but that is not an emergency exit. It's pitch black up here. They were told to have illuminated signs. The apartment lights work fine. No lights. And of course, Dimension calls me up and gets mad at me and gaslights me and tries to make it seem like as if I'm doing something wrong. You've got multiple people in the building. And they're like, we tried to be nice and putting in new hot water heaters. No, you didn't try to be nice. You had to because the others almost caught on fire and exploded. I have pictures that show that they were smoldering, melted messes. The only way that I'm able to see where I'm going, there's like 7 people in the building. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like 7 people inside the building now. There are no ways to see where you are going. And Dimension's mad at me for contacting them, saying that I'm arguing with them, saying that my message was rude. I care for the people's lives here.